So this is a video about some issues I've been having with my BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2s. They've developed cracking and splits along the sidewall. These are fairly new tires, just a little over a year old, with only 8,300 miles on them, so this shouldn't really happen. You can see there's a crack that has developed along here, about 2 inches, a crack that's starting to form here, and also a little bit cracking here. And you can take a look at the sidewall to see there's still plenty of sidewall left. Like I said, they've been only on the truck for a little over a year and only 8,300 miles. Same thing has developed on the left side of the truck. You can see this pretty big crack has developed along here, and same thing, the manufacturing year and week was the 37th week of last year, 2018. So I'm gonna give BFGoodrich a call and see if they're gonna honor any warranty related to this. Thanks.